Okay. Okay, I got this. I got this. Alright, this is just stupid water. Just stupid water. Okay. Oh my god. I'm afraid of water. Oh my god. Oh my god. So scary. Come on. Come on, Henry. Keep yourself together. It's too much. It's too much for me. Where's it going? Why can't I just relax? Why can't I just live in peace? Oh my god. It's so scary. Why? Why did water had to be created? This is not fair. Alright, gotta do it. Oh god. Please. Come on, Henry, I gotta man up. Okay. God. This is too much. This is so overwhelming. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Alright. Alright, breathe in, breathe in. Oh god. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in. Oh, it's not that bad. It's just stupid water. I'm tired of this. I can't take it no more. Oh god, I'm so traumatized.